Hi there, I'm Frank.
And I'm Gina.
And we are the Northwest Travelers. And this is a little video to introduce ourselves and let you know why we went full-time. And why did we go full-time?
To not spend any more winters in that cold Northwest.
And also to get out of the rat race. I did retire, and we're just enjoying it so far. And speaking about leaving the rat race behind, now it's time to have some fun. We did start on September 7th from Elma, Washington, and left there in the morning. We are traveling in a 33-foot Sport Trek travel trailer. It does have 3 slides on it, so it gives us plenty of room inside the travel trailer. Also, we're pulling that with a Dodge Ram 3500 with the Cummins diesel in it, so we've got plenty of power. So we drove the Dodge down here to Quartzsite, where we are boondocking out in the desert, and watch for our upcoming videos on tips and tricks for Quartzsite and boondocking. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the future.